Krishna is extremely famous for his Tillanas, and Priya has chosen the Kuntala Varali Tillana set to Adi Talam. The Tillana is the exuberant grand finale, full of dynamic, vibrant movements and intricate footwork.
Tillana nadridhim tadharadani nadridritom nadridritom dim tanana 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 nadridhim tadharadani nadridritom nadridritom dim tanana tillana nadridhim tadharadani nadridritom nadridritom dim tanana